RLock is inherently integrated with and built inside of RCom, Rival5's unified communications platform, and was developed to relieve the strain of timely and adequately notifying building occupants, administration, emergency services, and law enforcement in the event of a crisis scenario.
We chose RLock over other products from my perspective because of the demonstration, first and foremost. When I saw how it worked, I knew we needed this.
RLock is simple. It uses existing infrastructure throughout your buildings, same as your IP phones, security cameras, access points, computers, and more, allowing you to put your network investments more to work.
Choosing RLock over other products was very simple. It was adaptable to our classroom needs, the communication that can happen quickly between the teachers and our central hub, and then the quick response to 911 center and getting local authorities or emergency crews here in emergency situations.
Before we had RLock, we didn't really have an effective system in place. What we would have to do is call the office and explain to them what's happening. They would have to get on the intercom and explain the location of where there's a situation, and then everybody would have to respond accordingly. And in the meantime, you're hoping somebody's calling 911 because that wasn't happening at the same time. We save a lot of time. In a true emergency, those seconds are going to count.
Throughout the planning process, Rival5 teams can assist organization stakeholders in strategically mapping out locations and designs for things like LED strobe lights, ambient noise and sound sensing speakers, or all-in-one combination devices, all with a budget and desired strategy in mind. A predefined code or telephone number can be used to access RLock. Either using a Rival5 phone, cell phone, or mobile app, a dialable PIN or simple additional button press can be used to activate alerting sequences. It can also be activated from any LED strobe light using a protected lockdown button, or in the case of integrating with an existing alarm or access control system, a contact closure. RLock also integrates with safety and security apps for activation, like Crisis Go, using trusted vendor APIs. RLock keeps emergency services and public safety notifications as local as possible without involving central stations or monitoring centers. When RLock is activated and building occupants are notified of any lockdown in progress, a notification call is simultaneously initiated directly to your local 911 center or PSAP with exact location information on screen, a message that a lockdown is in progress, and a phone number to reach key internal staff during the emergency event. Never serving as a replacement for dialing 911 to provide additional information. This call is simply designed to start the alerting sequence and allow dispatchers to get resources heading toward the emergency that much quicker.
So one of the greatest advantages of the RLock system is how quickly we can notify building occupants, the administration, students, and the public safety officers in the event of a crisis scenario. Usually that can take upwards of several minutes depending on what system's in place, and with ours we have it documented in less than 30 seconds.